Hi, Nick here, MedTech World 2025, Day 2. Krisztian Kuntner from BrightHills is here with me. Being different in the field of AI, how come you're so different? Welcome, by the way.
Yeah, you're welcome, and thank you for having me. I love this show very much. It's awesome to be here again. So, I'm from BrightHills. I'm director of development and co-owner at BrightHills. We are a 20-some-year-old software company focusing on regulated and medical software. We help startups to uh, do the tech part of the MedTech. We do scale-ups to help with growing and scaling up their teams. And right now we are also helping all kinds of companies to make sure that they can make sense of the agentic AI and then they can come
And
up
make
with.
it work in order to
Yeah,
even
yeah,
to stay
exactly.
ahead, just to stay in position, because it's been so accepted, so easy in my opinion. Maybe your opinion is different. How are your clients accepting AI?
They are accepting it, and especially in the medtech field, AI has been around for many years now, and like in imaging, it's pretty common. So that's not a new thing. What we see new is the agentic part, the agentic section. That's what it's a bit harder to grasp, and that's why we have developed a four-step framework that we work on with our clients. That starts with training, and then starts with looking for use cases in their business that is valuable for them. Then building proof of concepts before diving into real solutions that would be more costly to build without seeing any return on investment.
And I guess looking back over the 20-year track record, there would have been an awareness that AI would come eventually, a kind of projected threshold. But I guess for the company from its foundations, do you believe that this was the way its goal map or its roadmap 20 years would be to be deploying these technologies?
I think we always put a lot of effort in learning, and that means that anything new that comes up, you have to be aware of it, you have to be able to adopt it, and then you have to be a step ahead of your clients every time. So AI is just another new thing that came on, like cloud came
Well,
15 years ago.
we
So
talk for bottom. Obviously, the benefits are clear, dangerously so for human capital, perhaps in the future. Exactly. But what's the give me some downside. What's some bad words, some naughty words you can't talk or aren't normally said about AI? What's the downside or the?
yeah, the risk obviously, and that's why I like AI in medtech, especially because you can make a real impact here with AI, speeding things up. But we also have the guardrails and the checks and balances there because of the regulations, which are seen as bad things, but they help at the end of the day to make sure that the patients, doctors, and nurses are safe. But yeah, AI can make a real difference here, and so this is not a move fast and break things area here, but at the end of the day, you make a real impact, and that's what matters.
Krisztian, thanks for being part of the MedTech World story. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.